Hi friends, hope you all are doing well and welcome to the new video. As you know that today there is a listing of major, so you can see my prediction going to right. As you can see, the market cap today is 150 to 200 million. As you can see, the price hit it on Bitget exchange is 0.1.5 dollar, and in OKX you can see near about $2. So today's video is about the new airdrop, that is DePIn project. As you know, many of the DePIn project becomes popular after grass, but this is the unique one. So you all have to do it. Now let's start the video. This is the first DePIn project that will give you the points according to the networks that are connected in your areas. These are connections, your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth devices. So let's explore this. First you have to go this link. I will provide the link. You have to click on it, and after that you can see this interface. So you have to go scroll down and you have to click on download cache. When you click on download cache, there is a pop-up of downloading. As you can see, you have to download it. So after downloading, you have to come on your file manager and you have to check your app. As you can see, the app gets downloaded. You have to click on it and you have to install. I already installed it, so I have need to update it. So this is now up to date, and now I will open it. As you can see, there is a pop-up of create account. So you have to create the account first. When you click on create chip account, then you can see you will go on Chrome and you can manually enter your data and you can sign up with Google. So you have to choose sign up with Google, and after that there is a authentication email you have to check and you have to verify your account. After creating account, you have to click on login and you can see again the pop-up of Chrome browser and you have to sign in with Google. So when you click on it, you have to sign up. Now I am going to sign up. After login, you have to confirm it, and as you can see my leaderboard, and you can see my point, my rank, and what you have to do, you have to go on this section and you have to click on activate scanning. So you have to allow all the things what it is asking. So you have to again allow while using the app, so you have to activate it. So after activation this, you can see your points here and all the connections is here, all the Bluetooth connections, all the Wi-Fi connections are here, and the points will be increased according to this. So what you have to do, you have to open the app and you have to activate it daily. So when you go outside, you also have to do it activate. So this is all the need you have to do. Now you have to go on wallet section and you can see my wallet is connected. This is the first DePIn project that is on Sui blockchain. So you have to connect your wallet. So before the wallet connection, we have to download the wallet extension. So I will copy the link and I will go on message browser and you have to paste the link and you have to add on your Chrome. So as I already added on my message browser, so I will do sign in. So now you can see the wallet is already set it. Now we have to go on the web page and we have to connect the wallet. So you have to click on you have to copy the link and you have to again go on message browser and you have to search the website. So when it is loaded, you have to connect the wallet. So as you can see, there is again login page. You have to sign in with Google. So after login, you have to click on three lines. As you can see, there is many options. You have to go on settings and you have to click on rewards wallet. So you have to connect your wallet here. When you connect it, there is a pop-up of Sui wallet extension. You have to confirm it and confirm your wallet and connect it here. So when the wallet is connected, it's all done. So this is all about the airdrop. So what you have to do, you have to daily open the app and activate the scanning button, and you have to remain open the app in the background, don't need to close it, and your points will be added here. So this is all about the airdrop. So if you do not subscribe my channel and join my telegram for more latest update. Thank you.